Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am back today to unbox my Planning City monthly subscription box, and it looks like it might be watermelon themed. So let me take it all out. Well, actually I don't want to take all the shred out, so let's do it this way. Oh, and she made the shred green and red too, like a watermelon. Okay. So the first thing we got is an Airhead watermelon flavored. So super cute. And then looks like we got some washi. Get all the shred off of this. And it is watermelon. So here is the watermelon washi. Super cute. And we get a big thick roll of it. And then we have, it says Sweet Watermelon Lord on the side. It is a needlepoint pen. So my favorite. Life is very long. We need to share. So there are those. Then here is the journaling card. It's really nice paper. And then we have a watermelon washi cutter. And you can put it on your planner or your journal, but super cute. And then we have a foiled watermelon notepad, like a to-do list. It says make it happen, and then it has Planning City at the bottom, and it's a nice thick pad, and the paper is very thick. I like that so much better. And then here is our kit. With the watermelon, and it looks like it has like a silver iridescent hollow foil. Oh, and all the seeds are little foiled. So that looks like an extra. It says summer melon. And then they have the little foiled watermelons there. Sunglasses. Pretty kit. This green and pink and red. Super pretty. And here is your washi and headers checklist of Monday through Sunday. And then we have your weekend banner, some deco, some checklist boxes, and some more headers. And then here are your date dots. We get another sheet of the days of the week and some more of the washi. So I can use this probably for 2 weeks. We get this one that has some scripts and icons, weekend banner. Here is oh, this is a nice big picture with the watermelons. And then we get a sheet of functional boxes. and a sheet of gold functional boxes, and then a sheet of bow headers, foiled bow headers. So I imagine I will use this kit sometime in July. It just speaks to me to do it in July. So that is the Planning City box for April. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And make sure you subscribe. Hit that little bell so you get notified of when I upload new content. And I will be back soon with another crafty, planner, or beauty video.